y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to put a picture into a video as so if you want to see how that works, keep watching.
Drink a little too much, but I don't want to feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't want to feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you.
First, you're going to go to Imovie. You can find this in the App Store if you did not download it yet. Next, you're going to follow it up by going to the movie you already created. And once you get there, we're going to press the plus sign. We're going to go to Photos, select the one you want. We're going to press the three dots, and we're going to press Picture in Picture. And once that gets there, we're going to adjust it as we go along. My main thing is to always take out that little white box around. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to select the third option on the screen at the bottom. That removes the actual white thing around there. I don't think it looks as clean. So once that's gone, we're also going to reposition where the photo is at. I like to put it on the side of my head, usually on either side, whichever side has more space and it's not going to block out my eyes, nose, or my lips, my mouth, anything like that. So just play around with this until you find where you actually want it to be. You can put it anywhere you like, but I do have a preference where I put mine at. And next after this, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out to make the picture bigger or smaller. Sorry if you hear TVs in the background. I can't control that. Or fireworks, for that matter. So yeah, next up, and what I usually do when I'm doing a picture within a video is for a purpose. So usually when I do it, I'm talking about it and then it pops up on the screen. So I make sure my speech and my pictures match timing wise. So I'm going to adjust that down below. I also can make the clip longer or shorter for however long I need it to play. And you're seeing me do that at the bottom. I'm just adjusting it as I go. So you just click on the actual small part that I'm showing you right here, and you move the little cursor back and forth however long you need the picture to be in that video. And once I adjust it to my speech, then that's pretty much it from there. Next up, I'm going to show you how to do split screen. So just give me a minute. I'm still adjusting just to make sure everything is cohesive and acting correctly. Oh, here it is. So yeah, we're gonna do the same exact thing, but I actually had to make a new video for this one. So I'm just gonna make a quick little video using these little clips that I have from Depop. It's more like pictures that I'm using, not actual video. So we're gonna use that, and this time instead of pressing picture in picture, press split screen. So you're gonna see we're gonna go to the addition button, then we're gonna choose our photo, we're gonna press the three dots, and after that we're gonna select split screen. This is mainly, I use this for if I'm doing try-on hauls to show you the actual clothing piece next to me as I'm speaking. And I'm gonna take out this little white line as well as I did on the other one. It's pretty much the same exact instructions. Go to the bottom half, select that little bottom part, and this is for showing you how to put the picture from side to side, and also pinch to zoom in on your face or whatever object you want to show. So I really hope that covered it for you. If you have any questions, please ask me down below. I'm here to help you guys, and that's how you do it. So see you in the next clip. Okay y'all, so that was the end of the video. I hope this was helpful for you. Imovie is fairly easy for like beginner YouTuber. It was a pretty quick video, but I just wanted to show you how to do picture in picture. So gonna come along, it's gonna be like a little bit of a video series of me showing you guys how to do different things in iMovies, everything that I learned on my own. I'm gonna show you guys. iMovie is a great tool to get your channel off the ground, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.